Hello everybody, welcome to our distance learning. Okay, so today we start new section. Is the section 1 first the bad news in the chapter 4 environmental problem and solution. Okay, so our objective for this lesson is to define word pollution, pollutant, and you can understand the type of pollutant. You can find the cause and effect of pollution and solution of each type of pollution. Okay, so we start from the word pollution. Now, what is pollution? Okay, the word pollution is the presence of harmful substance in the environment. Okay, example here, this picture you can see many people wear masks and look at the air around it. It's not clean, right? Here is the picture that they take in China when the smoke affect the human health and also the environment of the city in China. And so this is talk about the air pollution. And this one, you see the land is filled with the waste and the trash like that. So the land here is destroyed, or the soil become damaged by the plastic or the other chemical. So this land cannot be used anymore. So it means called soil pollution. Some animal or aquatic animal, they always consume the plastic as the food. So when they eat, it means that they will die sometime. Okay, so here we talk about the water pollution. And this one, it come from the sound or the loud noise from the every place in the city and affect human sense also. We call noise pollution. So there are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. So now I want you to know the word pollutant. What is pollutant? So the pollutant is the harmful substance that cause pollution. Example, number 1, smoke from the factory. So smoke from the factory here, it means what kind of pollution it causes? Yes, it causes air pollution, right? Because of the smoke. Okay, number 2, use of hairspray. The hairspray, when you use the hairspray, you also release chemical to the air. Okay, so it also causes air pollution. Dumping garbage in the water. So when you throw the garbage or many trash in the water, it means you pollute the water, and then the water cannot be used again anymore. Using pesticide in the farming, when you use it, it means it will stay on the soil and the soil will become polluted. And this one, using dynamite in fishing, it means when you use any explosion, powerful explosion in the water to kill the fish and for fishing. So it also affect the water. Okay, now there are 2 types of pollutant. So we divide pollutant into 2: biodegradable pollutant and non-degradable pollutant. So the word biodegradable, it means that decomposed by natural. So those which are rapidly decomposed by natural process, example osmotic sewage, food waste example, are called biodegradable pollution. It means it can be break down by environment or break down by bacteria or microorganism. But if the pollutant cannot be break down slow or break down very slowly by environment, by the microorganism, we call non-degradable pollution. Or it can be plastic, aluminum can, glass, DDT, mercury salt, etc. Okay, so there are 2 types of pollutant. Here you can see the way that the biodegradable pollutant occur on Earth. Here degradable or pollutant by microbe by using the material as energy source. The biodegradable simply means to be consumed by microorganisms and returned to compound found in nature. Okay, here like that one here. When we burn the wood, okay, it releases carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide are used by any plant to do photosynthesis, and then the plant grow, any new plant grow, and then when the plant die, when we burn it, it releases carbon dioxide. So it is like a carbon dioxide cycle. Okay. Now we move to air pollution. So because there are 4 types of pollution, so in this video we talk about 2 types of pollution: air pollution and another one. Okay. So now what is air pollution? So like you see in the picture, there are many factories that release many smoke to the air. So air pollution is the addition of gas, chemical, and particulate matter into the atmosphere. So air pollution primarily comes from burning of fossil fuels such as natural gas, petroleum, and coal. Okay, from many factors that affect the air by when they release many gas into the air. So the cause of air pollution we divide into 2: natural source and man-made source. Okay, so for natural source, it can be natural disaster, it can be volcano, wildfire, or tornado, etc. So all of these are natural source. And man-made source, it can be factory, automobile, energy source, etc. So here are the cause of air pollution. Okay, so it affect or not the air pollution? Yes, it affect. First, we want to take the effect on human or the other organism. Okay, they depend live by you observe the air or breathing. So when we breathe with the polluted air like that, so it affect our respiratory system and affect heart and cold heart problem also. Weathering, when the air is polluted, many gas, sulfuric acid or nitrous oxide, it released into the air, and when this gas mix with the water vapor, it become acid. So acid rain. Okay, and when the rain fall on the ground, they can destroy the crop or forest damage, etc. Eutrophication, here it means that the water is full of the nutrient, and many algae grow like that, make the water is unclean and not clear, because no enough oxygen for the other organism to survive. So here we call eutrophication. Depletion of ozone layer, yes, because of the carbon dioxide, etc. are called it can release to the air and then affect the ozone layer. Then the last one is global climate change. Yes, it may cause the climate is not usual, it's not like before. Okay, now destruction of ozone layer. You see in the picture show you about the effect of the air pollution. Okay, so there are pollutants here. When you inhale, okay, you feel not good, you will become stressed. Okay, and here acid rain, it destroy the plant. Okay, and it also pollute the soil also. Okay, now move to number 1.2, water